Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting the metal clips and placing them where you can access them fast. Import everything into your editor and create a dedicated sequence labeled metals. This keeps the project tidy. Make sure the sequence frame rate and resolution match your primary footage because mismatches cause sync drift. Once done, skim each clip to mark the metal moment with a marker or in /out point so you have consistent reference frames. Now you have organized, time-stamped clips ready for precise alignment. You choose one reference clip, usually the clearest metal frame or an audio spike, and make it your master. Drag other clips beneath, then align their marker to the master marker. This gives you visual parity. If audio exists, match waveform peaks to confirm. Use frame-by-frame nudges and slip or slide tools to adjust internal timing without changing clip length. Once alignment looks tight, play back a looped segment to watch for micro offsets and make tiny corrections until the metals hit simultaneously. You finalize by rendering a short preview of the aligned metals to ensure sync holds in exported playback. If you notice drift, inspect source files for variable frame rate, convert them to constant VFR, or re-encode to stabilize timing, because that often fixes progressive desync. Make incremental saves and export a master with embedded timecode so you can verify later. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio and video drift separately, re-extract audio and resync using waveform peaks. That usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.